Hello everyone, how are you today? I am going to do something a little bit different. I found a recipe online. I was actually on my Facebook, and the guy name is Darius, and he made some lemon pepper honey fried chicken. Guys, I love fried chicken. I love it done all different kinds of ways, and this particular recipe sounded delicious. I had never heard of Sazon seasoning. Have you heard of that before? Well, I never heard of it before. And so I actually went out and shopped and went to 3 different stores looking for it. So today I'm going to, I already did this recipe. I already tried it. It's delicious. You have to make your honey lemon glaze, pour over the chicken. It comes out really crispy. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Thank you for sticking with me today. What I'm going to do is just, right now I'm just going to season it for you. Let you see how I do it. I'm going to put some gloves on. You know what, before I put the gloves on, it requires 1 pack of Sazon seasoning. I had never heard of this, so I did, when I purchased it, before I put it on my chicken, I tasted it first to see if it had a flavor that I would like. There was a lady in the store that spoke Spanish, so I was able to talk to her and ask her what was it like. And she said it was like our all seasoning, or seasoning all, whatever you want to call it. So use a full pack of that. 1 tablespoon, and I don't usually use salt, guys, but because I'm going to do this tomorrow, the salt isn't going to hurt because it's going to actually add the flavor, of course, because I'm going to marinate mine overnight. It requires 1 tablespoon of salt, a 1/2 of tablespoon of fresh black pepper. I just bought this, so it's fresh. Oops. What am I doing? I'm not trying to make it too hot. 1/2 of tablespoon of black pepper. 1/2 a tablespoon of garlic powder. I love garlic powder. And I know that garlic powder actually makes things, like if you want to season it fast, garlic powder is the way to go. Those are the only seasonings that it requires. So he got right into frying his chicken right afterwards. I like to marinate my chicken. You all know that. So I'm going to use my gloves, mix it in. Really good. How do you like your fried chicken? Like, what flavors do you like on it? So I'm going to mix it up really good. The last time I did this, guys, it was so good. Everybody enjoyed it. So this is going to be a go-to recipe for me for the future, because it's easy, it works, it tastes delicious. The seasoning is all the way through the chicken, and I really like the Sazon flavor. It is like all seasoning. It doesn't taste like a Mexican seasoning, it has a strong cilantro flavor in it or anything. It just tastes good. It just has a nice flavor, and it gives the chicken a nice base flavor. So all I'm doing is actually replacing seasoning all with Sazon. And I will leave the recipe in the description box. So I'm going to let this marinate overnight. And then I will share all that with you guys when I come back. I'm going to make this video as quick as I can. But for you to see how it comes together. Excuse me, that's that pepper. To see how, this is about 30 pieces of chicken. You can use a whole chicken, cut it up. It's going to be just as delicious. So, thank you for stopping by and being with me. Thanks, new subscribers. Thank you for choosing Show Enough. I'm going to keep it real with you. If you have something that you'd like for me to try, please leave it in the comment section below. I would love to try something new. A how-to or something to that effect. Anyway, that's it for now, and I'll be back when I am ready to put the other part. Thanks. Hello. So what I'm going to do now, guys, it's another day. The chicken is now ready. I had put it in a bag and put it in the refrigerator. I just took it out of the bag. It is ready for me to put the egg and the milk on top. So give me just a second. Reach in my drawer here and get me a pair of gloves. Because once I put the egg and the milk in, I'm going to mix it up really well. I did one extra step, and that is I added the 1 pack of the Sazon seasoning to the flour. My skillet is ready. So I added 1 pack of the Sazon seasoning to the flour. This is 3 cups of flour and 1.5 cup of cornstarch with the Sazon seasoning. I put the seasoning in there just so I have an extra added flavor all the way out throughout the chicken. So 1/2 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg. I could have just beat the egg a little bit and then poured it on there, but it's an egg. So I'm just going to bust it here and go ahead and mix it all the way through. Just like that. It coats it really nice, which makes the flour stick to the chicken really well. The cornstarch adds a nice extra crispiness to the chicken as well. That's why I'm putting the cornstarch with the flour. That's what gives you a crunch, actually. Now it's all nice and coated, and what I'm going to do is put this, once I, I'm sorry, I'm losing track of my words, but once I pour this, I'm going to pour the flour in a bag, and then I'm going to put half the chicken in, shake it up real good, and start to fry the chicken. Meanwhile, I'll have I have my own lemon juice. It's already squeezed, freshly squeezed here. So I already have my lemon juice squeezed. I'm just going to pour what equals to about 2 lemon juices to 1/2 cup of honey. Put it on the stove and let it just get to a simmer, a little boil, and then turn it off and put a little, I think that was one other thing he put in there. Let's see. To make the glaze, add the honey, lemon, black pepper. So we're going to put a little bit of black pepper in there, and there you have it. So I'm going to do this part, and then I'll just let you see when I'm frying it, and that's all, okay? Talk to you in just a moment. It looks like our chicken is now ready. It's nice and golden brown, just the way you should like your chicken. So now what I'm going to do is just take it out of the grease. Again, having one hand with the camera is a little bit hard, but that's nice and golden right there. Okay, guys, what do you think of that chicken? Look at that, guys. We're outside. That is golden, crispy chicken. And let Aisha bite it for you. Go ahead, baby. Don't hate. Just appreciate. That's good chicken right there.
That is some good chicken.
That's good chicken. So, Darius, we want to thank you for telling us all about it.
Mm-hmm.
Listen at that, guys.
Mm.
What do you think, Janet?
I love it. I love it
This is
with
exquisite.
the honey and without the honey.
You heard it right here in our backyard. That's some good old fried chicken. Now, can't leave without seeing your girl taste that chicken. Go ahead now, like that now, y'all boo. That's good chicken. Set up for we're just having an outing, but I wanted you guys to see the potato salad with that good fried chicken, lemon, honey, fried chicken. And this is I just so happen to have this little honey bear that is filled with gummy bears, and I'm so happy I found it. But look at that. The honey is with the pepper inside. It's delicious. As you'll hear, it's good with the honey or without the honey. It's very good. So that's it. Thanks for watching.